it's a really hard balance. And the analogy that I use, the metaphor that I use internally is, we are trying to create a menu. We're not trying to be a private chef. And we need to make sure that customers understand that we have a menu, and there's enough on that menu that I think there's something you're going to love. But for the right price and the right quantity, we may be willing to customize a menu. There are customers who assume that we're a private chef. And what we've learned is that those customers are the hardest to serve because they really don't know what they want. You know, they tell us they want a pizza shaped like a hamburger that's actually a cake. And then you can't possibly satisfy them.
Yeah, you need to make an animation for that one, and then pop, and then your product. No.
Yeah, exactly.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.